Today I'm going to go over how to e-sign a document. For example, if you have recently been approved for a loan or opened an account online, you may be asked to sign your document electronically. You will need to provide us with an email address the documents can be sent to. You will then receive 2 emails from the Park City representative you have been working with. One that will have an authorization code for signing your documents right here. And for time's sake, I'll copy that because you will need that number. And another that you have documents ready to view. I have already started it, so I have opened the document ready to view. And since this is your first time completing an eSign document, a pop-up will appear and it will walk you through the process, which helps make this very simple to understand. So I'm going to hit yes, please. Okay, great. There are just 3 easy steps to sign your document. Accept the disclosure, create your signature, and sign your documents. Are we ready to begin? Yes, I want to start. So you'll need to read through the eDoc signature and user license agreement. And you'll need to click I have read the consumer disclosure and accept to the terms and conditions. Here's where your authorization code will need to go. Since I copied it, I'll now paste it in there and hit I agree. Next, you will create your signature either by typing and selecting a font or by drawing with your finger or a stylus. Are you ready? Yes, create my signature. You can use a computer-created signature, or you can choose to sign your own using your mouse, the stylus, or your finger, depending on the device you are using. Okay, I'm going to choose this first one, but like I said, you could draw it if you would like as well, and then clear that out. But for time's sake, I'll use that one, and then I need to type my name in the blank and hit I like it. Okay, next you will create your initials, either by typing and selecting a font again, or by drawing with your finger or stylus. Are you ready? Yes, create my initials. So the same goes for your initials. You can pick one of these, or you can draw. I'm just going to pick that one for time's sake, and then I'm going to write SS for my initials and hit I like it. Nope, I don't want it to save, so I'm going to hit never. As you review the document, look for the orange Tap to Sign buttons that you need your information or signature. Tap to enter the information or your signature. So start signing now. You can look over your document if you'd like. Otherwise, just look for these orange boxes and hit Tap to Sign. And that's going to put in your pre-picked signature. It's going to tap to date. And since it's a computer, it's going to know what date it is and plug that in for you. All right. So now we can hit finish. And it's going to save the one document. All right. This page displays the list of documents that you will need to sign, and each document will have one of the following actions available: sign the document, download the document, or upload the document. So when you are all finished with the eSign process, you would click here to finish, but you can also download all these documents. So I'm going to click here to finish. All right, well, that's the process of signing the document. And now the representative you have been working with will receive an email stating that you have completed signing. You will also receive an email stating that the documents have been signed by all required signers and give you the option to download your documents. If you have any questions throughout this process, please feel free to give us a call at 715-536-8351. Thank you.